doing live so everyone can hear.
Can hear that, you're okay now.
Mother-in-law apologized to me, messaged me in private because I want to know, Mother-in-law, anything to you. I want to know why you're. I don't not.
What started?
Why it started because I do not understand. I'm not doing anything. I don't get it.
Ay, bongga, mag-English si Cindy.
Papa, sorry kayo.
Ay, okay, kay si Mad. Mad,
Sorry kayo sa... Kinadala ko sa akong kayo, boss.
Pero mga tanong ko, Mother-in-law, like,
Translate for me.
mga tanong ko, Mother-in-law, like, why nahiubos ka sa kuwanga? Wala man ko nang hilabot. Like, I messaged you before the issue. I asked you because you post CC bullshit. Because a lot of people comment, like, Cindy, and then I message you in private, Mother-in-law, a lot of people tag me. What's the problem? Even my manager, because I do not understand, Mother-in-law. I do not. And you're making a story in social media, like
Not just making a story, you are actively lying about us.
lying about us, like gipahawak di ka sa restaurant. It's not true, Mother-in-law. The stress you give to me back, I really
You
is it.
sat in the restaurant with us for an hour. We talked to you for 20 minutes, and then you went and finished your meal for another 45 minutes, and then got up on your own accord and went home. So can you please tell us when in that time you interpreted us as going into the restaurant and asking you to leave? Please explain that
Yes,
to me.
Grabe ay mo post, Mother-in-law. All the vloggers.
Kaya gani, sorry guys akong ko because naminaw ko sa storya ang una na ako nadungog kay Sorry, did she just say she listened to a story?
Yeah.
No, that can't be true. You were the only one there. You are the only one who could have made up that story. So who told you? What story are you listening to? You were the only one there. Nadungog ako na sorry, naghulat ko sa inyo ha og 6 hours. Kaya gusto daw na ako magpa-picture sa inyo ha.
But Mother-in-law, where did you get that?
You were
issue?
here. You sat there for an hour with us. So what are you talking about?
I do not understand, Mother-in-law.
Nasyak ko kay pag-uli na ako happy kay kabalo jud ko na nang gusto jud ta ka makita ba pa sa tinuod lang kay nagafan ko sa imo.
I'm very excited to meet you, but busy kay ko that time. You keep calling to me, but busy kay ko. But the point is, nganong naabot man taani nga wa man ko nang feedback, wala ko nang ungrateful. I was very thankful pa nga. Tapos